Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room Recap for Tuesday, February the 26th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. This is a link to get into our free trading room, 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our room. I open the room at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. That's when I start to share my screen. Get live on the mic at about 9:05. I go up to 3:30 Mondays to Thursdays and up to 3 o'clock on Fridays. This is a link for a subscription. You'll see a promo code for 15% off. That's 15% off the first month of a standard or premium subscription, or the entire year of a standard or premium subscription, and also off a brokerage plus subscription. That is an $1,100 one-time charge. You'll get 15% off that. All right, so really not going to talk too much about trading because I didn't really do any trading today. I did a couple of little trades. Kind of looking at Candy. I may have missed it. It's too bad. Let me just. In fact, I forgot to even bring up a chart. I want to talk more about what's happening with the potential of moving to the other trading room, to another trading room. But let me just give this Candy up here. Just give me a moment here. Yeah, looks like I've blown this. All right, I got into this one right here. Now, why did I do that? That was from the down big yesterday, up big today. So you can see, take a look at the daily chart on it. So you can see what it did yesterday. It was down, all right? And now it's trying to come back, okay? So that's why this was alerted. And in that particular, let me get back to the 15-minute. You know, again, this is the things that I'm sharing. So down big yesterday. This shouldn't actually say up big today. It should be just to say reversing today. They don't necessarily have to be up big. But the original alert came at, I think, 835. Got in it right there. Didn't really move very much, so I got out. I took a 2-cent loss. But anyway, that is the one. And the other one, I did a little scalp. I lost a little money on Campbell Soup earlier, CPV, on a scalp, and then I made it back on shorting it. So that's it. Now, one of the reasons is that because we're looking at perhaps changing the trading room from Omnovia to PTR, Pro Traders Room. So one of the issues we had, though, was that the resolution was not very good in the Pro Traders Room. And so the developer, I've been speaking with the developer at length, and he's very, very welcome to conversations and suggestions, etc. So anyway, the bottom line is that from yesterday to today, I guess there has been a marked improvement in the resolution. He took a look at my video card and did some, whatever developers do, I think something with the codecs, and so he made some changes. Most people who came into the room today saw the changes. Is it exactly like Omnovia? Maybe not. Maybe it's not. Maybe Omnovia is still the benchmark. But I think for most people, it was certainly way better. And if we were going to use it going forward, there would be no problems. So first of all, why are we even looking to switch? One of the reasons is that it will make it a lot easier for our support people. Number one, you know how when you want to go into the Omnovia room, you click on the link, we send you, we fill out some information, we send you an email back, you get a password and all that. And it's fine for most people, but for a lot of people, for whatever reason, they're not getting the email that's coming back. It's going into trash immediately. There's confusion galore. So we would have liked to have made it so that if you're a subscriber to Trade Ideas, you could just use your username and password, your Trade Ideas username and password to get into the trading room. So there's going to be that. The other huge difference for a lot of people is the ability to pop out the chat. So that seems to be a very, very popular feature. You can pop out the chat in the potentially new trading room. So that's good for people, especially who don't care about watching my screen, but they do want to follow the posts and listen to my commentary, but they don't necessarily want to see the screen. So that's excellent for them. There are other things too. I mean, we are. I can put different tabs now. You know, with Amnovi, I was limited just to the 3 tabs: the general chat, announcement, and tech. So you know, with him, he's going to make it a lot more flexible. I can name them what I want. So for instance, I can put links. I can put in stocks to watch. Of course, the trades I'm in. Just things like that. It's just a lot more flexible. So there are a lot of reasons why we'd like to really try out the room, but you know, we're not going to do anything until we're convinced that it is a better way to go. So that's about it. I want to get back into the room now, both rooms. And by the way, don't think that now like the new room is not, there's it's what I've been doing is I've been running them concurrently. So you still go into Omnovia, and then you'll see in this email I've got a link for the new room, and I usually open it now about 10 o'clock in the morning, and run with it for a couple of hours. The reason I'm doing it, I just wanted to get feedback from people. The other thing is that the developer came in the morning and he was listening to the feedback and helping people. So, you know, he may in fact do the same thing tomorrow. So you want to come into the room, comment, say, you know, I would like this, or that's good, or that isn't good, etc. You know, your chance is really to talk to the guy who developed the room. All right, I want to get back into the rooms, and okay, again, if you have any questions for me, this is the email address you can use, and you know the rest. I'll open the Omnovia room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time, and that's when I'll start to share my screen and get live on the mic at 9:05. So hope everybody has a great evening. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.